What's up, cats? I'm Molly McCormick.
And I'm Nico Siri. Welcome back to our Summer Media Camp Cat Chat. All of our hard work will bring us to Film Festival on Wednesday, July 29th. Let's kick off things with a little history lesson.
Did you know that America turned 250 years old?
This past July 4th was America's 250th birthday.
Before the U.S., the land was made up of 13 colonies. The colonies were ruled by the Great Britain.
The colonists did not like that they were being taxed without a say. This led to the American Revolution.
The Declaration of Independence was written on July 4th, 1776, and was mostly written by Thomas Jefferson.
There were 56 people who signed the Declaration.
It announced that the colonies were free and independent.
The American Revolution lasted until 1783, and George Washington led American troops.
The colonists won the war, and this led to the colonies becoming their own country.
The first 4th of July celebrations including bonfires, fireworks, and bells.
The U.S. flag has 50 stars on it to represent all of the states.
The 250th birthday is such a big deal because it's once-in-a-lifetime celebration.
People all over the country celebrate with festivals, parades, and fireworks.
It's a time to think about freedom, history, and how our country has evolved.
250 years later, the story of America is still being written. We're a part of it.
We will see you guys next week.
Go Cats!
What did you all do to celebrate America's 250th birthday?
Over the summer, students also get some real-life experience with on-camera interviews.
This is a great way to practice brainstorming, writing scripts, and communicating.
Here is Alvin checking in with Miss S.
Hey everyone, I'm here with Miss S, the assistant principal.
Good morning, Alvin.
Morning, Miss S. So, we just finished another great year at the high school. Mm-hmm. What are your favorite moments in the coming year?
I would say definitely seeing the spirit games. That was my favorite part of last year, is just watching the different grade levels compete against each other, watching all the big kids on the little tricycles trying to get around or popping balloons. I really enjoyed the spirit games. I thought that was such an amazing event.
Yeah. What are improvements will be happening around the high school this summer?
So there's a couple different things. I mean, obviously we're keeping the school nice and clean. We're getting the floors waxed. We're getting the walls painted. There are a couple rooms that are being switched around, so there'll be some different setups next year that kiddos might notice a little difference with.
What are you most exciting about for the new school year this fall?
Ooh. I'm definitely excited to meet the incoming freshman class. I've built some really good relationships with kids last year, so I'm excited to see those relationships grow this year.
Are there any new programs, opportunities, or changes students can look forward to next year?
So we're offering some really amazing distance learning classes. So I took a look at the schedule for this coming year, and I thought of a lot of the students I worked with last year because we have an amazing class. It's Sports in American History. We still have our school store, we have our CTE program, the food cart. We're building on the programs that we have and really focusing on that CTE.
What message would you like to share our students, families, and staff as we enjoyed summer break?
I hope you take the summer to kind of relax, recharge. You deserve a break. You've been working really hard all school year, and come back to us ready to learn, ready to go in September.
Well, thank you, Miss S, for being here.
Awesome. Thanks, Alvin.
Thanks, Alvin and Miss S, for the updates.
Here is Levi and Cormac with a segment of Did You Know?
Hey everyone, I'm Cormac Galison.
And I'm Levi, and this is Did You Know?
How great is it to get to live in the beautiful town of Catskill?
Every day we are surrounded by scenic routes, mountains, creeks, and the Hudson River.
Catskill has a population of around 11,300 people.
Established in 1650 and incorporated in 1806, this historic Hudson Valley town spans 64 square miles and serves as the Eastern Getaway.
Catskill is sometimes known as the birthplace of American art.
Thomas Cole founded the Hudson River School at his art movement. You can now view his former home.
Catskill is well known as the home of legendary heavyweight boxing champion Mike Tyson.
How amazing amazing is that we get to call this beautiful town our home.
It's even better to learn about its interesting history.
I'm Levi.
And I'm Cormac.
And this is Did You Know?
We love to learn new facts, especially about our hometown.
Who's ready for a good laugh?
Let's see what the joke of the week is.
Joke of the week.
This is Amelia.
And this is Morgan. And this is the joke of the week. What's up?
Hi, Morgan.
Why did the coach shake the vending machine?
Why?
Because he wanted his quarterback. And that was the joke of the week.
Haha, that was a good one.
Let's take a relaxing break and check in with Noah to see what this weekend weather looks like.
Tranquil weather with Noah.
Oh, hello there. Friday it'll be very hot outside. Saturday will be hot outside, and Sunday will be very hot outside. It's gonna be hot, hot, hot all week.
Tranquil weather with Noah.
Get outside and enjoy the sun, but don't forget to wear your sunscreen.
We will be right back, cats. It's time for a short commercial break.
Bucketheads are here, ready to rock your world. We're bringing a world in a bucket to a city near you.
We can't wait to see the Bucketheads bring the band back together.
One thing we love to do during camp is highlight different business in the area.
One of the most popular breakfast spots is A&G's on Main Street.
Our students had the opportunity to interview the owners. Let's check it out.
Hi, my name is Easton, and I'm down here at A&G's.
How long have you been running the business at A&G's for?
Right now, been 8 years. So I used to work a diner for 17 years. I started doing dishes, busting tables, and then I learned how to cook. And I worked there for 17 years, and I decided to open my own restaurant. So, been 8 years now, working in the community of Catskill, New York.
What is your favorite part about running the business?
My favorite part?
Yep.
It's like, spend time with the customer. It's like my day goes so fast, talking with the people. Hey, good morning, how you doing today? We have so nice customer here in Catskill. And also I like to cook too. I love to cook. And my favorite part is like cooking breakfast, eggs, pancakes. I love it.
What's your favorite order on the menu?
My favorite order? Pretty like everything, but I like eggs all the time. I eat eggs every day. Like 3 eggs over easy, bacon, whole wheat toast, that's my favorite. Every Saturday I come here, I ask Rosie, 3 eggs over easy with bacon. And also I like buffalo salad, chicken quesadilla. That's why it's my little belly here.
What is the most popular order here?
Chicken bacon ranch wrap. Everybody like that. Chicken bacon ranch wrap, and buffalo wrap, and bacon, egg, and cheese.
Thank you, A&G's, for having us down. If you're in need of a tasty breakfast, head on down to A&G's.
Here's Arabella with the snack of the week.
I'm Arabella, and this is your snack of the week. We are doing Pop Chips. Pop Chips were created in 2007 by Keith Belling and Patrick Turpin. I have the barbecue flavor. Let's give it a try. They look funny. It does look like a rice cake. It is sweet
It's tangy and the texture feels like a rice cake. Feels soft. A 9. They're good. That's all. See you next week. Bye.
Looks yummy.
Let's take a minute to meet our campers.
Hi, my name is Elvin Ruiz Jr., and I am going to be a junior next year, and I'm going to 11th grade. This is my actual 3rd year going to media camp. I love to film movies, and I like to do the news, which is Cat Chat.
Hi, my name is Lucas Menelaus. I'm going into 8th grade, and it's my 2nd year here. I like doing media camp because I just like hanging out with my friends and using the cameras here.
Hello there. My name is Easton McCarthy, and this is my 2nd year at Catskill Media Camp. I am going to 8th grade, and I love coming to media camp each year because it's just so fun to be with my friends.
My name is Zane Kozlowski. I'm going into 8th grade. I've been here 2 years, and the reason I like being here is I'm here for Gavin.
Hi, my name is Owen. I'm in 8th grade, and I've been here for 2 years. And my favorite part about it is that I could film in other people's videos and like be in their movies.
Hello, my name is Noah Ciccarelli, and I'm going into 8th grade. This is my 3rd year in media camp, and my favorite part about being in media camp is having fun and making movies.
We love having everyone join media camp and make their films.
Hi guys, I'm Easton McCarthy.
And I'm Zane Kozlowski, and this is your weekly sports update.
Shocking news hit the NBA last week.
LeBron James will not be returning to the Los Angeles Lakers.
What team do you think he will land on next?
I think LeBron will go to the Golden State Warriors.
I hope he goes to the Timberwolves.
The World Cup is coming to an end this weekend.
The finals are being held Sunday the 19th at MetLife Stadium in New Jersey.
At the time of recording, England, Argentina, France, and Spain are left in the tournament.
Who do you think will win it all and take home the FIFA World Cup trophy?
I hope Spain wins it all.
I want England to take home that trophy.
The gold boot is given to the FIFA player who scores the most goals during the World Cup.
Messi and Mbappe are tied both with 8 goals.
It will be exciting to see who will come out on top.
Make sure you're tuning into those soccer games.
This only happens every 4 years.
We will see you next week with another sports update.
Go Cats!
You're counting on days until the film festival.
Mark your calendars for July 29th at 10 a.m. in the middle school auditorium.
We can't wait to see you all there.
Thanks for joining us.
We will see you guys next week.
Cats can!